So you want to lose fat, get strong and stay lean for good. Now in terms of exercise, we do this through strength training, and there's some fundamental calisthenics moves that will help with this. Before we begin, please hit like, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and the bell to stay up to date with all things fat loss. Today we're going to be looking at dips. From a calisthenics context, these are important in ring and bar muscle ups. And from a strength training for fat loss perspective, this is another compound movement that will stimulate the chest, shoulders and triceps. Now in a push-up, you go from a flexed position to a partially extended position. However, with dips, you start in a partially extended position and move deeper into extension before returning to the start position. Now the reason why I like dips from a muscle growth and strength perspective is that you can add more external load easily to this movement, and you're really going into the end range of the movement at the bottom of the dip. Now this is difficult to achieve with push-ups as you can't add much load safely or effectively. Now remember, you need to be able to do a dip shrug, which you'll be implementing here. If you can't do a dip shrug, do not do this movement. So I'll link the video below to pushing mechanics. Here's how to perform the dip. Start at the top of a dip shrug with the body in tension. Elbow pits forwards, shoulder blades depressed. You'll already feel the chest being activated when you do this. To perform the dip, drive the shoulders down as deep as you can go. Ensure the forearms stay vertical, which is the strongest pushing position. Push through the hands, drive the chest up and fully lock out. For our first regression, all you do is perform the movement but with your legs supported. For the next regression, perform the movement but with one leg kicked out. And for the final regression, get into a top hold, perform a full negative and then do a supported push up back to the top of the movement. And finally, to progress this movement, all you need to do is add a weight using a dip belt. Now this video completes our calisthenics for fat loss series. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found these techniques useful. Please drop a comment, ask a question, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.